Hello everyone, this is Lolly and I am back with a special surprise, and I am filling in on the design team for Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft for the month of June. And so the kit just came. So let's open this up together. I have broken the tape, but that is it. So let's look inside. She always packs this so well. Oh my goodness, something very large here. Get the scissors out. Something dimension. I see the word dimension. Dimensional effects. Paintable texture paste. Add dimension to paintable surfaces, ideal for stenciling and mixed media application. Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay. Lovely. And in this pack, oh, I forgot to tell you, the theme for the month is coffee and friends. So what does that tell you? Doesn't that sound fun? Okay, let's see what we've got here. Let's move this aside so it's not in the way of looking at all of these yummies. Well, I know right now I love jelly beans, so yay. Oh my goodness, yes. It's the cup with the cards here and the shaker cup that goes in there. Oh my gosh, we love, love, love our shakers. Okay, next up is this bag here. Let's see what's in here. And oh my goodness, Neat and Tangled always has the cutest shaker elements. So look at the coffee colors. I mean, it's called coffee and cream sequence mix. How cute is that? And look, oh, you would not believe this. This is from Echo Park, and it is a enamel pin. Now, when I was at Creativation, I saw all their enamel pins, and I thought, oh my goodness, I love these, love these. And I just was reacquainted with this week and thought, I'll have to order me one of these. And there it is, yay! Okay, and we've got Aunty Vera washi tape. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Now, let's just put that right here. My paper's getting dirty anyway. Finding the end. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to zoom in on that. So it's got some like watercolor effects behind them. And then all these cute little coffee mugs. Aren't they cute? Great, great, great. Great washi. Okay. Now, while we're dealing with the coffee theme here, we've got these Art Basics from Finnabair. And these are fabric and mesh flowers that are kind of in coffee and cream colors. Very cute. Oh, looky, looky, looky. A coffee bar sticker, coffee shop. And then bags of coffee, coffee labels, coffee cups, another bag. Look at these. These are too adorable. And look, it's a splash. Oh, cute. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, lots of things to think about there. Now, also in this kit is this. Oh, how sweet. This is from Sizzix. And so we've got the coffee cup and all these little symbols that can go in here. And then there's the die. The die set goes right along with it. Now I'm guessing this must be for the words, because I can't figure out what else it would go for. Like this one, Java time or something like that. Or got caffeine. It looks like it only goes to one of the words though. Anyway, and oh, look at this, a tiny, tiny, tiny coffee cup. Paperclip size. Anyway, very cute. And this is the this part right here. You've got the lid. There's the little mini one of those, and the circle for that and this. I'm trying to think. This one here must be part of that lid as well. Yeah, it's the two-part lid. Very, very cute. Oh my goodness. That is going to be adorable. Okay, and now, of course, we have paper. Let's dig in here. First thing I see is Bow Bunny Double Dot. You know, I love Bow Bunny dots. I really do. They're dotted dots, color dots on color background. They are just precious, and they're so good for doing all kinds of backgrounds. And now there's this too, which is reversible heavyweight paper. Let's see, what does it say that this one doesn't say what this, oh, here's the other side of it. Oh, look at that. Coffee Vintage it's called. And this is French Vanilla. Look at those. These are great background papers. I'll cut that off because I want to keep these bags. They're perfect for reusing. Okay, now let's look at this one. Coffee and Tea, designs by Reminisce.com. I don't know that I've ever heard of them, but let's open it up. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft, she is a company in Australia, mails crafting supplies internationally, and this kit can be purchased if you check the links down below. I'll give you the link to her blog and to her website, and the kit is available while supplies last. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is such a beautiful, vibrant picture. Oh, and look at the back. Oh my. Are you drooling? And this one, Cafe au lait Americano. It's got all the different kinds of coffee. And there's the back there. So these are, they're heavier than just paperweight. They're a little lighter than typical cardstock, and they have almost a little bit of a sheen on them. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's like coffee dyed paper on the back. Aww. Look at that. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Thinking of a big project that would work with. That is so lovely. And the back of that is the flower. I really love those teacups. Oh my. And look at these. Tea time, shamelessly addicted to caffeine. But first, coffee. You are my cup of tea. I love coffee. Tea makes everything better. Latte, duh. There's the caffeine, the symbol for caffeine. Coffee is always a good idea. For first, I drink the coffee, then I do the things. Oh, these are stickers. I was thinking these were cut aparts, but they're actually stickers. What a great idea. So, oh my goodness, these papers are great. And you know, could even cut these up and use them somehow as well. Sure can. Those and these are perfect papers. So let me think about my favorite thing here so far. We have these. We've got the stamp and die set, the splash, these coffee stickers, the flowers. Oh my goodness. The little shaker elements, the coffee enamel pin, the dimension effects. And we have this shaker thing here. Okay. I love so many things. I would have to say it's a toss-up between the Jelly Bean, because I'm really a fan of Jelly Bean shakers. And I love shakers, you know that. So between the shaker elements and this, probably my favorites. Although, gotta love this. It's so precious. And I've started collecting enamel pins. This is so beautiful. Okay, and I just got their Disney one too. Yeah, it's a toss-up between this and the shaker elements. So much fun here. I hope you enjoyed that as well. Stay tuned because I will be making, I'm sorry for all that glare on there. I will be making projects using these supplies right here. Make sure you check all the links down below this video so that you can see how to access Aunty Vera in her blog and in her store and get this kit while there's still some left.